Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about series. In my previous videos, I already said about the for loop statements, how to write a for loop statement, when to write a for loop statement, and also I discussed about the range function. So if you watched both the videos, then it is perfect to watch these videos of series. So let's start. Suppose I want to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot n. Suppose this is my question. So how should I approach? First of all, I should do n. I am taking the value, a variable, you can say a variable, input as n. It is an integer value. You all know how to input. I have already shown. It's very easy to input. Input what? Enter the last number. N is the last number. So enter the last number. Okay. Done. Now what I will do? I will take sum. Sum is a value. Sum equals to 0. I have to sum plus I have to sum. Okay. Now I will use the for loop. For x is a, I'm taking x, you can take rm, anything you want, or x in range 1 because starting is from 1. So 1. N plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because it is up to n. So if I take n plus 1, then it will do up to n. Okay, is it clear? That's why n plus 1, not only n. N means previous value, n minus 1 it will be now then. So if I take n plus 1, then it will take up to n. So that's why n. Then 1, because 1 plus 2, 1 gap, interval is 1. So 1. Okay. Is it clear? So let's move to the next line. So sum equals to sum plus x, yx, because see, all values of sum plus x, then after 1 it will go to 2, after that 3. That's why x, sum plus x. Then print sum. Okay, print sum. Now let's see what's the output. See, it's saying enter the last number. I am giving us 2. See, 3. Okay, is it clear? I think is it clear to you all? Let me check it again. Suppose let me give here like this. Now let me check again. Let me check again here. Let me give here. Let me give 5. See, 15. Okay, is it clear to you all? Now let's check another series. Now I will do 2 plus 4. Means 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6, like this. Okay. It's very simple. I have to change just 2 portions. See, starting with 2. So I will give you 2 because from starting it is 2. And see the gap, it is a gap of 2. So here also I will give 2 and n plus 1 will be there because up to n it is. So n plus 1 will be as it is. Okay, is it very clear? So let's try. Enter the last number. Let me check again. Enter the last number. Enter the last number. I gave here 8. Okay, it's clear to you all. So like this you can do. I will check another series. Now I will check 1 square, 2 square, like that. But I can't give you a square, so I am doing this like this. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 dot 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 n into n. Okay. See again here the gap is, the starting is from 1 and it is 1 1 1 into 1, so the interval is also 1. So simple. What I have to change here, into x. Why? Because it's square, x into x, so it will be x into x. Remember this very carefully. It's very easy, just you have to remember something. Was I take 5, 55. Okay, is it clear? Now I have shown you the addition one. Now I will show one of multiplication. So let's show you the multiplication. For multiplication I am taking it 1 into 2 into 3 dot 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 n. Okay. One thing you have to remember it very carefully. For multiplication we will take the sum as 1, because anything multiplication 0 will always be 0, na? 1 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0. That's why you will always take as 1. Okay. Now this is okay. 1 comma n plus 1. Okay. Just I have to change one thing. I am always doing plus. Here I will do into. Sum into x. That's it. Enter the last number. I give 2. Okay. Again I check another by giving another number. Now let me give here. Suppose I give here 6. Okay. Is it clear to you all? So you can try many series of your own. Just the logic should be simple. Just keep the logic as simple and you can do many series. So by this we complete this video. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.